Hello lovely customers, this is me Leon again, and this is the fifth videos we making videos about CEO documentaries. And today I'm very happy to announce with you that we got another 100 kilograms to Rio de Janeiro to Brazil. And let me show you a new CEO documentaries that we just made, including the details and all things, and I will explain to you some of the detail as well. So let's come and take a look. Series original files over here with the marks over here, and over here we got the details. They buy hairs, extension, black colors, and the total quantity will be 100 kilograms over here. So you can see the cross weight 100 kilograms, and the day is May of this month. This is a newly made CEO documentary. So in conclusions, if you guys are wondering what is CEO stands for country origin. Is the documentaries that will have you with your imports. When you have these documentaries while you buying in bulk quantity, it will reduce tax in your country. With some country is up to 0%, so it's very important and very beneficial for your business. It will have you in your reselling account, and making CEO is extremely easy. However, you need to prove that you are a real factory in order to make a CEO documentary, which will include the raw material input, the reasons documents, and also the recent financial status to show to the authorities and ambassadors in your countries, which means we have to show to ambassadors of Brazil, in Vietnam, and many other documentary to make this document CEO for you. And one more, let me talk some more about the orders. So these customers, they are buying the hair for bleaching. They buy that the hair can reach up to color 60, color 613. That's a very high quality rate that CYhair we have right now. So I can show you some videos after this one and some pictures so that you can take a look and make a decision. And finally, thank you for watching these videos. If you like to make CEO documentaries and order big order with CYhair, drop me a like, comments, or even drop me your numbers. And thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.